લર્નિંગ ઇંગ્લિશ ફોર ગુજરાતી બિગિનર્સ. જે પણ ગુજરાતી લોકો ઇંગ્લિશ સ્પીકિંગ શીખવા માંગે છે તેના માટેની આ ટિપ્સ છે. There are several ways to do speaking practice, but this tips is very effectively. Hello friends, how are you? Hope doing well. I am Kailash Patel and today I am going to address you some tips which help to improve your spoken English. So let's begin. According to your life, friends, you choose the time for practice English. Regularly, you should take out 1 hour for practice English. And if you don't take out 1 hour, so at least 20 to 25 minutes you should do practice. Because you might be thinking, later on I will do, tomorrow I will start. So don't do like that. Because consistency is quite important to become a fluent. Time never come back. So the time you selected, you must follow regularly. Now the second tips is LOTP, means listening, observing, thinking and practice. Very simple English content or a cartoon, you can start your listening skill and then you observe what you listen. Then you think what is the story and eventually you should do speaking practice. What is the story? Either you can do ROTP, means reading, observing, thinking and practice. You should read English content. Very simple children's storybook you should read, but you shouldn't read whole story at a time. Instead of you should read one paragraph and repeat 5 to 6 times. So you can consume those all words regularly and then you analyze, use those all words which you can deeply observe. By using listening and reading, you can easily to develop your thinking process. Now friends, it's happen to do mistake, but you start your journey, you start your speaking practice. This process and these tips is very significantly, so I hope you will do. And why not? Because you want to become a fluent, you want to become a success, you want to enhance your communication skill, either you want to good career in your life. So definitely you will follow. Am I right, friends? Yes. Now the third thing is you keep motivate yourself. It happen. Some people start any new things and do people enthusiastic some days and after some days demotivated. Friends, at that situation you should keep motivate yourself because you all know that English has become a language is communicate in a professional life. When you are demotivated, you focus on your goal and think about it. Why you are learning and why you are started. You can implement and encourage yourself. What is the reason you are learning this language? This way, you can always stay in a positive. Now, the fourth thing is enjoying the process. While doing learning, enjoying the process, definitely learn very fast the language. And now, last means fifth tips is you should believe yourself. Because when you are believing to yourself, you can achieve everything in your life. And you can say, I can and I will. This way you can keep positive mindset towards your practicing. So definitely you will become a fluent. If you want to become a fluent, then you can add in your daily conversation some short sentences, words, vocabulary. So gradually you can change your mindset towards practicing English. And your perspective would be changed. Now it's enough for today. and thank you watching for my video till end. If you like this video, so you can share my video. More Gujarati learner and people who want to improve their spoken English, they will get more benefit because always I have made spoken English videos, English to Gujarati and Gujarati to English. Keep smiling, keep practicing. Bye bye.